Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 13 trades. Today's date is June the 20th and I'm using my new pip trigger trading system. This system uses moving averages and oscillating momentum indicators down at the bottom. Now you will get an audio alert and a pop-up box like this suggesting either trend is up or down with the hull, and if you get your hands on the super signal indicator you will continue to get more signals where it says buy or sell, and as you can see the market is still moving, but this very first one I bought and it's just doing a pullback, or could be a complete reversal, at least on the 15 minutes. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer, right where this vertical line is, looking at all the different instruments, looking at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision I want to buy or sell, I manually put in this arrow, simple to do, click on this tab, arrow up, and it just reminds me if I want to be buying or selling. Now here's the daily trade plan, expert advisor. This is running in real time. As you can see, it just changed something here. It'll either say bullish or bearish, or not enough strength, so you have to wait until it makes a suggestion. If you're trading without a daily trade plan, well, that's probably a very good reason why you are not succeeding. Now, if you have any questions, all you got to do is just Skype me. So now we can look at the charts. And of course the trade, starting off with the Russell here right at the top. Now on this Russell, I bought it according to the daily trade plan in real time. So I bought it. Let's see where I got in at. And when it started to come down, I decided to close out the trade. I took the trades at some various times here, but I closed them all out about 9:15. So 6 o'clock to 9:15, a little over 3 hours work. And it's not too bad for a total. As I tell traders, once you get to a standard lot, you should be able to, providing you're a good trader, you'll make a lot more money than your job will pay. But it does take time to learn. And of course, you're going to need a lot of good education and a good system. So I took the trade at this cursor right here, the blue for buying. If I sold it would be red, and I closed it out at this cursor. And looking at the money, since it pays $10 for each tick, this should be 10. Let's see, or 14, sorry about that. Yeah, 14. $10 for each tick. So it should be 14. There it is right there, right on, 14 ticks, and that paid out $140. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. Now the Dow Jones, it pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by 5, and calculator says should be 30, so let's drag and drop this up. So from here to there should be 30. And I knew that the opening bell was going to be within about 10 minutes or 12 minutes. That's the opening bell. You got to, actually right here, 9:30. So got to be aware of the opening bell. And what did I say? 30. There it is right there, 30 ticks, and that paid $150. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the pound Swiss. On the pound Swiss here, wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Drag and drop this up. It's a no-brainer. Did qualify for a great way to trade. So took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy with 16 pips, and that ended up paying out $178. Moving along to the next trade, the euro dollar. Now the euro dollar pays $10 for each pip, same as the pound dollar because the USD is on the right hand side. So let's see where I got in at. Everything was looking not too bad for going down, but you have to know how to read the charts and the daily trade plan. So I took the trade, and as soon as this hull turned red, I knew it was going to go down. Ended up with about 17, or it should be 18 as a matter of fact. I was trying to check on that again. There it is right there, 18 pips, and that paid out $180. Moving right along to the next trade on the euro yen. This one here, sold it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. Actually, I did get up a little bit earlier today, about an hour earlier. Doesn't make any difference, 5, 6, 7. Doesn't make any difference. You want to be in front of the charts when the market is starting to do a movement. Sold it here and I closed it out here just being happy, looks like with about 30. And those 30 pips paid out $211. Moving on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. And just to let you know that I got into this habit of doing more than one trade at a time. I practice for hundreds and hundreds of trades in a demo account until I felt comfortable doing it. And after I found success day in and day out, well, moving to a live account was not a big deal. But anyhow, on this S&P 500, does pay $5 for each tick. Used a calculator. It told me that it should be approximately 42. So let's see where I got in here at. As I said, I bought it. And so 42 point something, but let's just round it out to 42. There it is right there. Calculator says 42.4. That's pretty close. 5, but let's just go with the 42, and that ended up paying out $212. Moving right along to the next trade on the Euro New Zealand. This one I wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow. Qualified for a great way to trade. Bought it at this cursor and I closed it out being happy with, looks like 40. Those 40 pips paid out $252. Moving right along to the next trade is the pound CAD. Here we go. Wanted to be selling it. Let's see where I got in at. Right at this cursor. Inside is red. And I closed it out just being happy with about 36 pips. And those 36 pips paid out $279. Moving on to the next trade, the pound dollar. This one pays $10 for each pip, as I mentioned earlier. Wanted to be selling it. Everything looking good for shorting. It's exactly what I did. I had the super signal arrow right here. It was a no-brainer. Trading is easy and a lot of fun, but you have to have the tools and you have to know how to work the tools. So what did I say? 39. There it is right there, 39 pips, and that paid out $390. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. Another one looking good for shorting. There's a sell signal there and there. From the super signal, would not trade any system without the super signal. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the markets. Took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out just being happy, and Usually when I hit 200 pips and or ticks or more, I'm happy, and today is going to be well over 200. It's going to be well over 500. So 66 pips, and that paid out $473. Moving on to the next trade, the NASDAQ. Now this one pays $20 for each tick. I bought it and I closed it out here, and looks like that's the opening bell. Look at the way it spiked up. Got in at this cursor. Now the calculator says after I divided it by 20 says 26, so it should be able to find 26. There it is right there, 26. You remove the last two digits, and that paid out $528. Moving right along to the next trade on this gold. Wanted to be selling it. Now on the gold, it's $10 for each tick, and looking at the money, this should be 89. If I was in the trade, I'd be making more right now, but I'm not too greedy. I'm happy every day I'm trading. I am very happy. And there it is right there, 89, and that ended up paying out $890. Moving on to the next trade, the DAX 30. This one pays $3.75 for each tick. Now I dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a little bit better reading. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Right where the arrow is here, got in the trade, closed it out over here. I took the money, divided by $3.75. Calculator says it should be 300. So let's see, 300. There it is right there, 300 ticks. And that ended up paying out $1,125. So another great day of trading using my pip trigger. I added up all the pips and the ticks. Knew it was going to be way over 200. Grand total for the day is 746 pips and ticks. And that ended up paying out $5,010. So if your system's not producing like my pip trigger, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Now, if you look right below this video, you will get a lot more information. Now, if you look right below the video, you'll see this little button right here that says Show More. You're going to click on it, and then all you're going to do is scroll down. Now, I do prefer Skype, so I made it really easy for you. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, simple. Just click on the link, and then we can talk live on Skype. 4 things you need to succeed at trading, and you're going to need each and every one of these, or you will fail. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, there's 4 different packages, cost $250 each. And please keep in mind that this package does not include the super signal indicator. If you want the super signal indicator, it's in package number 4, the Easy Trader system. And have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. Now, the training videos are in package 1 and 2, lots of them, 22 and 20. Number 2 is How I Trade Live. Some traders say this is the missing piece to the puzzle, you know, and this is the one that helped them actually find success. Then, of course, you have the Daily Trade Plan. Expert Advisor is a must-have. The last 2 down here has 4 training videos each. So now as you scroll down, I go through each package and what I teach in it. Lots of videos, lots of training, a lot of education. How I Trade Live and all the videos, what I'm teaching. The Daily Trade Plan, Expert Advisor. And of course the Easy Trader. Now, you want to get in contact with me, simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Or you can send me an email. Here's my email address. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. And here's another link to my Skype. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.